Tired of relying on indicators that lag behind the market? Want to learn how to read raw price movement like the pros do? If you're looking for clarity in the chaos of the charts, you're exactly where you need to be. Welcome to Forex Target, the ultimate destination for traders who want to master the markets using pure price action. This course is built to take you from the basics to advanced strategies, with real-world techniques that actually work. In this free course, you'll learn price action trading from the ground up. We start with the basics: support and resistance, trend lines and market structure, followed by single, double, and triple candlestick patterns to understand how price behaves. Then we move into intermediate concepts like breakouts and fakeouts, trend reversals, and continuation patterns. Finally, you'll dive into advanced skills like multi-timeframe analysis, identifying key supply and demand zones, proper risk management, and mastering trading psychology, everything you need to trade confidently and consistently. This course is built to take you from confused to confident, step by step. Whether you're brand new or have been struggling with consistency, this course will give you the foundation and strategy you need. So hit subscribe, follow the full playlist, and let's build your trading confidence.